You already know. Beautiful Saturday, Tokyo, noonish. Sitting here in the sun. Got a little bit of shade, and of course, I like to keep things cool by kind of doing a sort of Asian thing, and sometimes some of us, not all of us, but some of us out here will tend to kind of overdress. That way when we get in, we can either underdress or we're just simply not getting burned directly from the sun. So again, the sweatshirt, we've got the Tokyo, says right there, if you read Chinese, it would say Dongjing. Dongjing would be the Chinese character. Translated into kanji, which is the Chinese character in Japan. They call them kanji. Same character, same meaning. It says Tokyo, right? So there you go. Welcome, ABC Direct Sales, piggybacking third part of the fast track of money. Very, 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 very important. Understanding that when we are digging into the money from the go, when I mean go, it means not exactly immediately, but within 7 seconds. No more, let's just go ahead and round it up another 30. Let's say 45, 47 seconds. Meaning you spent a minute chit-chatting about something or product or reconfirming or something as such about what you're even talking about. So basically immediately within 7 seconds to 45 seconds of the initial meet of your prospect, you're already in money. Alright, so pretty aggressive when you are in that money step from the go. Under a minute, you're already talking about money. It's very important to understand where you're going with this. Most likely, you are only doing really just a soft check. What that means is we just want to know if they have money, right? We're not asking for the money. More than likely, we're not asking for bank account numbers, credit card information, all the way down to statements. We're probably not even trying to get the numbers. Now, you can do that. I've seen that done where you got your credit card, it starts with a 4, Visa. And people just start in and qualify right away. Usually that's not what you want to do. So it's important to realize the purpose of the fast money method is just to make sure that the people that you're sitting with, talk with, meeting with are not busted, meaning broke. They have money and they have access to money. So heed the caution that once you get there and you've qualified that they have money, especially when they're doing a fast money qualification, well under a minute of ever meeting these people, you don't want to stay there too long typically. It may come across as though you have commission breath, or you're just shady, or they get confused, they're not sure why you're talking about this, and the brakes get held on, and there's no chance to really get a good deal, or they're just not feeling comfortable about you and the company or the product that you have. So, again, get them on the phone. You might spend 7 seconds. You probably would. You probably should. no more than to build your rapport. So you've got rapport, it's been 7 seconds, right into money, right? Digging into money. That means within about 45 seconds of meeting them, you already know what kind of lifestyle they have financially, if they can afford a kind of a bracket of where you may put them in your tier, right? Are they going to be at the top? Are they going to be at the bottom? Are they going to be in the middle? Are we just going to have to try to sell them to help us bring in other people that actually might be a financier, right? So it could be someone that they're closely connected to, or someone in the company that they represent if they're just a finance person or whatever the case. So that is it. Follow the steps. Go to Patreon. If you're not seeing us on Patreon, you can learn the exact step of digging into the money. Do understand that if you are going after money from the go, you should probably not be green. You must be able to maneuver in any kind of situation. Now, if you're zero and you're just busted up and you've been just meeting poor people and you really don't know what you're doing, but you just are sick of the whole thing, maybe, and you're gonna just go and call, and just, get into money. You can actually do that and go straight, but it's gonna be painful. I mean, you're gonna get caught and stuck plenty of times, and they're not gonna give it to you anyhow. So make sure if you are qualifying up front financially that you're going to be laying out the position that they will actually open their wallet, take that credit card, take that bank statement, get on the phone, get on with the bank with you, transfer money, order credit cards. I've done that, seen that many a times where we just, okay, they can't afford it, let's get on the phone. Call the bank, and in 20 minutes they just got $50,000, $20,000 increase on their credit availability instantly, and I've seen that happen, and then they'll just turn around and use it for the appropriate product. Beautiful day. Go through the steps, learn the process. If you get the money first, good for you. And we'll see you again. ABC Direct Sell.